Ever wondered how a humble dish like potato salad became a staple at picnics, barbecues, and family gatherings around the world? Today on Foodstorian, we're diving deep into the fascinating history of Kartoffelsalat, better known as potato salad. Well, subscribe and stick around because we're about to uncover its secrets. Our story begins centuries ago in Europe, where potatoes were first introduced from the Americas. But believe it or not, these starchy wonders faced skepticism and resistance. Some people thought they were poisonous, while others simply didn't know what to do with them. However, necessity is the mother of invention, as they say. Amidst famine and scarcity, European peasants turned to the humble potato as a lifeline. They discovered its versatility and adaptability, leading to the birth of countless potato dishes, including the legendary potato salad. Picture this. In the fertile fields of what is now Germany, Austria, and Switzerland, industrious cooks began experimenting with this newfound ingredient. They boiled, mashed, and sliced potatoes, incorporating local herbs, vinegar, and oils to create simple yet satisfying dishes. These early versions of potato salad were more rustic than refined, often featuring rough-cut potatoes dressed with vinegar and oil. But they provided sustenance and comfort during times of hardship, earning a special place in the hearts and stomachs of the people. So, while potato salad may seem like just another side dish today, its origins tell a tale of resilience, ingenuity, and the transformative power of food in the face of adversity. As potato salad gained popularity across Europe, it underwent a fascinating evolution, adapting to the tastes and traditions of different regions. Each locale put its own unique spin on the dish, resulting in a diverse array of potato salad variations that continue to delight palates worldwide. Let's embark on a culinary journey through Europe to discover some of the most iconic potato salad renditions. In Germany, Kartoffelsalat reigns supreme, with variations ranging from the creamy southern style to the tangy northern version. The southern variant typically features a mayo-based dressing with mustard and pickles, while the northern counterpart leans towards a lighter vinaigrette, dressing with vinegar and broth. No matter the variation, one thing's for sure. Germans take their Kartoffelsalat seriously, often passing down treasured family recipes from generation to generation. Meanwhile, in France, salade de pommes de terre offers a sophisticated twist with the addition of Dijon mustard, fresh herbs, and sometimes even capers. It's a refreshing and elegant dish that pairs perfectly with a glass of crisp white wine. The French sure know how to elevate the humble potato into a culinary masterpiece. And who could forget the classic American potato salad? Creamy, tangy, and oh so satisfying, this beloved side dish has graced countless backyard barbecues and potluck gatherings across the United States. With ingredients like mayo, mustard, celery, and hard-boiled eggs, American potato salad is a comforting reminder of summertime gatherings and cherished family traditions. In Eastern Europe, potato salad takes on a heartier, more substantial form, often incorporating ingredients like boiled eggs, sausage, and root vegetables. It's a dish fit for celebrations and special occasions, symbolizing abundance and hospitality. Here's to the rich tapestry of potato salad traditions that unite us across borders and generations. From the humble peasant kitchens of yore to the modern-day potlucks, potato salad continues to bring joy and nourishment to all who partake. Now that we've explored the rich history and diverse variations of potato salad, let's dive into why this beloved dish is often a hit at gatherings, but sometimes misses the mark. First and foremost, let's talk about why potato salad is a crowd pleaser. One word: versatility. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, attending a picnic in the park, or bringing a dish to a potluck, potato salad fits the bill. Its creamy texture and zesty flavors complement a wide range of main dishes, from grilled meats to vegetarian fare. Plus, it's a make-ahead marvel. You can whip up a batch of potato salad ahead of time and let the flavors meld together in the fridge, making it the perfect dish for busy hosts and hostesses. However, not all potato salads are created equal. There are some common pitfalls that can turn this beloved dish into a culinary catastrophe. Exhibit A: mushy potatoes. There's nothing worse than biting into a spoonful of potato salad only to find that the potatoes have turned into a soggy mess. It's like eating mashed potatoes with a side of disappointment. And then there's the issue of overpowering mayo. Don't get me wrong, I love a good creamy potato salad as much as the next person, but there's a fine line between creamy and downright gloopy. It's like trying to swim through a sea of mayonnaise. Not exactly appetizing if you ask me. Last but not least, blandness. Potato salad should be bursting with flavor, from the tangy vinegar to the punch of fresh herbs. But all too often, we're left with a lackluster dish that's more snooze than sizzle. A little seasoning goes a long way, my friends. Don't be afraid to add some salt, pepper, and other spices to elevate the flavors and make your potato salad shine. I've got some pro tips to ensure your potato salad shines bright like a culinary star. First, always start with good quality potatoes. Firm and waxy varieties like Yukon Gold or red potatoes work best. Cook them just right, not too mushy, not too firm. Next, choose your dressing wisely. Whether it's a classic mayo-based dressing or a zesty vinaigrette, make sure it complements the flavors without overpowering them. And finally, don't forget to add some extra flair with fresh herbs, crispy bacon, or crunchy pickles. It's all about those little touches that elevate the dish from ordinary to extraordinary. And there you have it, folks. The tantalizing tale of Kartoffelsalat, a dish that's as rich in history as it is in flavor. So the next time you dig into a bowl of potato salad, remember the journey it took to land on your plate. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating!